Are you struggling to shed those stubborn pounds? What if the secret to weight loss isn't just eating less but eating smart? Stick around, because today, we're diving into the top 5 proteins that can help you lose weight fast, and why they work like magic. These aren't just any proteins, they're the most effective, scientifically backed options for long-term success. Whether you want to trim your waistline, build lean muscle, or simply feel more energized, these protein-packed foods are the ultimate game changers. Forget fad diets and gimmicks, these proteins are backed by science and real-world results. In the next 30 minutes, we'll explore how these foods fuel your body, crush hunger cravings, and accelerate your weight loss journey. Plus, you'll discover how to prepare them in delicious, creative ways that'll make eating healthy a joy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which proteins to add to your diet and how to use them effectively for maximum results. We'll also share a bonus tip on how to combine these proteins to create balanced, satisfying meals that will keep you full for hours. Trust us, you don't want to miss this. We all know the basics: cut calories, stay active, and drink plenty of water. But did you know that not all calories are created equal? Protein is your best friend when it comes to weight loss. It's the secret weapon for anyone serious about transforming their body. Protein helps you feel full, boosts your metabolism, and even preserves lean muscle while you're burning fat. And the best part? It's easy to incorporate into your daily meals. Studies show that protein has the highest thermic effect of food, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it compared to carbs or fats. That's why protein isn't just a food group, it's a weight loss accelerator. But not all proteins are created equal. So, which ones should you focus on for the best results? Is it the classic chicken breast? Or is there a hidden gem you've been missing out on? Stick around, because we'll reveal 5 of the most powerful proteins, and how to use them to turbocharge your results. 1. Eggs. First on our list, eggs. They're nature's multivitamin, loaded with high-quality protein and essential nutrients. One large egg contains about 6 grams of protein and only 70 calories. Eating eggs for breakfast has been shown to reduce hunger and calorie intake throughout the day. But there's more. Eggs are incredibly versatile. From omelets to frittatas, you can enjoy them in countless ways without ever getting bored. Plus, they're budget-friendly, making them accessible for everyone. 2. Greek yogurt. Next, we have Greek yogurt, your gut's best friend. It's packed with protein, probiotics, and calcium. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained, making it thicker, creamier, and higher in protein. A single serving can have up to 20 grams of protein. Greek yogurt also helps balance your gut bacteria, which can play a significant role in weight management. A healthy gut means better digestion, less bloating, and a more efficient metabolism. 3. Chicken breast. No list would be complete without chicken breast. It's a lean, versatile protein that's low in fat and high in protein. A 3-ounce serving packs about 26 grams of protein and just 140 calories. But what makes chicken truly special is how easy it is to prepare in bulk, making it perfect for meal preppers. 4. Lentils. Now, for our plant-based viewers, lentils are a powerhouse of protein and fiber. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils provides 18 grams of protein and nearly 16 grams of fiber, helping you feel full longer while keeping your digestion on point. Lentils are also rich in iron and folate, which boost energy and support overall health. And the best part? They're incredibly affordable and easy to cook, making them a staple in many kitchens worldwide. Number 5. Salmon. Finally, salmon, a protein that's as nutritious as it is delicious. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which not only support heart health but also reduce inflammation, a hidden culprit behind weight gain. A 4-ounce fillet contains about 25 grams of protein. Now you know the top 5 proteins to supercharge your weight loss journey. Eggs to kickstart your day, Greek yogurt to boost your gut health, chicken breast for lean muscle, lentils for plant-based power, and salmon for healthy fats and protein. Combine these with an active lifestyle, and you're on your way to achieving your goals faster than ever. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's on their weight loss journey. Subscribe for more tips on living a healthy and happy life. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite protein-packed meal? We'd love to hear from you.